Hello, it's me again. Now, in the previous two lessons, you learned how to pronounce Welsh letters. Now, I'm going to tell you something that might surprise you a bit. Apart from I need a haircut, that's no surprise to anybody. Since you've learnt the alphabet, you now have pretty much all the weapons you need to pronounce any Welsh word. Let me give you an example. How about easy to start off with? The Welsh word for one. Un. Okay? Now, you might have already figured this out already, but basically, it's the sound of U and the sound of N. Put them together. Un, un, un. See? Okay, two. Die. D and A and U. Die. Die. See? Easy peasy when you know how. Although, there is one exception. Mostly. And that is the letter Y. Sometimes Y is pronounced like I taught you as and other times it's pronounced, I can't even pronounce as E or E if you're in North Wales, but for the purposes of this, South Wales. Give an example. See, this word had three Y's in it. And it's ysbyty. It's the Welsh word for hospital. So the first Y is pronounced as so The second one is pronounced as and the last one is E. See? So ysbyty. The general rule is if a Y is near the end of a word, it generally is pronounced as E. If it's pronounced near the start, then it's But there are some exceptions to this. So, now I've told you this, let's test you on how to pronounce certain Welsh names and sort of place names. Okay, you ready? You're going to see it on screen and see if you can sort of say it when you read it. Okay, ready? Okay. Dafydd. Oh, a lot of people get this one wrong. Should I say it slower? Dafydd. Yeah, D and A, V. U, see? Near the end. And V is Dafydd. Dewi. See? Easy. D, E, U, I, Dewi. Dewi. Ooh, long one. Looks complicated, but not really. Ariannwyn. A-R-I-A-N-W-I. See? N. Ariannwyn. See? Ariannwyn. Ooh. Angharad. Remember that ng, see? A-ng-H-A-R-A-D. Angharad. See? It'll look complicated, but okay. Or hyphenated. See? Only posh people have hyphenated surnames. Unlike me at all. Sioned Mair. If a Welsh word starts with SI, it's actually got sh sound. So, shop, for instance, S-I-O-P, E-O-P, is sh, so it's shop. So in this case, it's Sioned, right? So it's Sioned Mair. Sioned. So you don't say Sioned, no, Sioned. Mair, Mair. Yeah? Okay, got that? Cool. Ooh, you probably saw this one and go, oh, how can I pronounce this? Okay? Easy, right? Right, I'll say the letters first. Gwyn, Gwenllian. See? If you know how to do you're fine. See, that's what I taught you how to do before. Okay, next one. Oh, easy. Easy peasy. Lowry. See, I know you can do it. See, Lowry. L-O-U-R-E. Lowry. Remember to roll the R. So it's a Lowry. Lowry. It's Lowry. Okay? Right. Crystin. Again, that's the Y pronounced differently. It's it's the U sound. So it's Crystin. Yeah? Okay. Alright, yeah, okay, well this is another one with a Y in it. So it's actually pronounced Gwilym. Yeah? G-O-E. It's but it's pronounced like E. Gwilym. Yeah? Gwilym. Right, again, an S-I, so it's Shan. E-A-N, so it's Shan. Yeah? Okay? Elin. E-L-E-N is Elin. Okay? Linessa. L-E, see E sound again with a Y. Linessa. Not Lunessa, it's Linessa. Yeah? Okay? Rhyl. R, U, and O. Rhyl. Okay? Llandudno. See, tough one. A lot of Welsh place names start with double L-A-N. Llan, because it means church of. So, A-N, D-U-D-N-O. Llandudno. Okay? Haha! Got ya. Right, I'm going to go over this in the next video, I think. But it's pronounced as in Llanfair pwll gwyngyll go gerech chwyndro brilliant silio go go goch. Okay, so that's the end of the lesson for today. Hope I've helped. I guess the next lesson I'm going to be sort of teaching you to say Llanfair PG, as we call it around here. So yeah, anyway, well done if you could manage all that in one go. Look up Welsh words, Google them, you know, Google Welsh place names and see if you can pronounce them. I'd love to see some videos, that'd be ace, yeah, or if you're trying to pronounce words and stuff. So yeah, let me know, leave me a message, I'd like some feedback. Thanks for the 5 stars, whoever did that, that was ace. And good luck, look there. And until next time, Hwyl fawr. Bye.